Welcome! This video will explain everything you need to know about how to collect, store, and ship your sample to ensure the lab is able to process it. We've included some tips to make the collection as easy and straightforward as possible. Start by opening the box and place everything in front of you. Slowly remove the saliva and blood collection devices. There should be one saliva collection tube and one card for collecting your blood sample. You'll also find 2 lancets, alcohol wipes, and a Band-Aid. In order to activate your test kit, please scan the QR code on the activation card and follow the instructions. To ensure the best possible results, your saliva and blood sample must be collected between 7 and 9 a.m. on the same day. For the saliva collection, it's important that you collect your sample within 30 minutes of waking up and wait until the 19th, 20th, or 21st day after the start of your last period. If you are not menstruating, you can collect your sample on any day. Please avoid using any anti-aging or anti-wrinkle facial creams for 3 days prior to testing, as these creams may contain undisclosed hormones. It's important that you do not eat, drink, or brush your teeth before providing your sample. Within 30 minutes of waking up, begin by washing your hands and rinsing your mouth out with water 5 minutes before you collect your sample. Then allow some saliva to pool in your mouth and spit it into the tube. Keep doing this until you have filled the tube at least half full, not including bubbles. This can commonly take up to 30 minutes, so please be patient. Once you have filled the tube over halfway, please be sure to write your name, date, and time of collection on the label for the tube. Next up is the blood sample. You'll want to try and collect this sample within 1 hour of waking, ideally between 7 and 9 a.m. When you are ready to start your collection, the first thing you should do is write your name, date of birth, and the date you are collecting your sample on the collection card. The lab needs this information to successfully process your sample. Next, you'll want to hydrate. Drink 24 to 32 ounces of water 30 minutes before you collect your sample. While hydrating, get your blood flowing with some light exercise, like 45 seconds of jumping jacks, or simply moving around to get your heart rate up. Run your fingers under the hottest water you can stand for 2 minutes, then shake your hands by your sides for 30 seconds. For the collection, you'll want to pick one of your ring fingers, and make sure you use the lancet to the left or the right side of the center of your fingertip, not in the center because there are more nerves there. Before using the lancet, clean your finger with the enclosed alcohol prep pad and let it air dry for 1 minute. Next, twist off the top of one of the lancets. This will activate it. Then place your finger against a firm surface and press the lancet into the left or right side of your fingertip, gently applying pressure until you feel a click. Wipe off the first drop of blood, then hold your finger over the collection card, allowing blood to fall into each individual circle. Usually it takes about 2 to 3 large free-falling drops to fill each circle. Make sure you don't touch or tap the card while you are doing this. If you are having a hard time getting enough blood, try standing up and holding your hand down at your side to use gravity to increase blood flow. Once you have filled all circles, place a Band-Aid on your finger. You will need to let your collection card dry completely, usually about 30 to 60 minutes, before placing it in the biohazard bag. Place the collection card and saliva tube into the biohazard bag, and then place the bag in the original box or directly into the prepaid shipping envelope that came with your kit. Please double-check which shipping carrier you need to drop your sample off to, and be sure to mail your sample the same day you collect it. And that's it! Your results should be ready in 7 to 10 business days. Once we receive your results from the lab, we will contact you to set up a free telehealth appointment to discuss your results and any recommended treatment options. We look forward to helping you feel better, look better, and live better.